Oh my god, what is this?
Bug Bum Video Production presents.
What is the YouTube category list?
How many of you content creators even pay any mind to the category list section?
After uploading a video, you can navigate to the category section in the advanced settings of Studio. Just scroll down to the bottom, just above the section listed, comments and ratings.
Categorizing your videos is important, just like categorizing the shelves at the library, in terms of subject, genre, and reading level.
There are 15 categories listed. Number 7. How-to and Style.
How-to guides are some of the biggest resources that YouTube offers. Whether you want to see a YouTube video to learn how to parallel park, or how to build a cabin from scratch, there are tutorial channels out there for you. Type "how to" in the Google or Bing search box, and see the large number of suggestions it throws up. It could be that it's among the most common type of all queries, or it could be that we all want to learn something new.
If you continue with the how to search, most certainly, you will get some videos in your search for answers. A few, most definitely will be from YouTube, because it happens to be the largest video bowl for videos on the internet. Please support the creator of this channel and donate if you can. You can also help Bug Bum grow by subscribing, like and share. May God bless.